It's been over a year now since I've been going back and forth with Asian dishes, and I love the way they build their flavor. So let's make this rice and peas together, Haitian and Jamaican way. Come, let's do it, guys. Now, the first thing we're going to do is add 1 cup of red kidney beans to a bowl. All right, and then we're going to take this and we're going to wash it. And guys, I would recommend washing the peas, but it's definitely up to you guys. You know, growing up, that's what we were taught. So to give us a peace of mind, we Jamaican usually wash our peas. Go in, wash the peas properly, remove any form of dirt or debris that is inside the peas, and then we're gonna put it down and we're gonna add 3 cloves of garlic to that. So what I'm doing is just removing the casing from the garlic because we don't want to add that to it, right? Yeah, and then we just add that to the peas, the washed peas. And then I'm gonna go in with 2 cups of water, right? And we're gonna add it to the peas and the garlic, and we're gonna soak that overnight. The next day you're gonna add it to a pot, and then you're gonna go in with half teaspoon of salt, and then I'm using about, I'm gonna say 18 pimento seed, a dozen and a half. So we're gonna crush those and also add them to the pot. And guys, we're going in with our coconut milk now. We're not waiting until the peas cook before we add the coconut milk. We're adding it now, right? A little spill. So I'm just gonna clean that up, and that is what we do. We clean as we go along, right? So I'm just cleaning that off the stove. All right, and then I'm gonna turn the stove on and I'm gonna cover the pot and allow this peas to cook. So you're gonna go in occasionally to ensure that the peas don't need any more water. And if it do, add little, and then we're gonna go along until the peas are nice and tender. And once the peas are nice and tender, that's when we're going to go in and strain the liquid from the peas, right? So we're separating them. And this is not something that Jamaican do. We don't usually separate. We just go straight in and start cooking. But this time we're adding the Asian Haitian touch to it. So therefore we are going and we are going to separate the liquid from the peas, right? Alright, just some scallion now chop up, um, pepper, thyme. Scallion, thyme, pepper. Once you do that now, we're gonna add a little oil to our pot. And I am using olive oil. You can use whatever oil you choose. So I'm going with olive oil and about quarter stick of unsalted butter. Alright, and then we just melt that down. So we're taking our time and just doing our thing. So add the butter to it. You don't even have to use a spoon and do nothing. It will definitely melt by itself. But because me and a patient, we are melt it down. And then we're gonna add scallion and thyme. You can definitely just go ahead and add some green seasoning. But because I am a little extra, so hence the scallion and thyme, and also pepper rotted. So it's scallion, thyme, and hot pepper that I chop and add. And then I'm going to go in with a spoonful of green seasoning and just combine that. And the Asian version for green seasoning is a piece. All right, so if you can find that or make that, that work out perfectly. So we're just frying this off for, I'm going to say roughly a minute or so, right? So we'll fry this off first before we move any further. So once you start smell that aroma, you're gonna go in with your peas that you drained earlier, and then we're gonna fry that up also, right? So ensure that the stove is on medium heat because we're not sweating anything we're frying. We don't want any liquid inside the pot at this point. We're frying it off. And I'm just pressing the garlic that I boiled the peas with earlier. So that's what I'm doing here, right? So we saute, saute, saute. We not rush it because, as I say, we want to ensure that the peas are being fried. All right. So basically, we do that for a minute or two, and then we're gonna go in and we're gonna season the peas. I'm using the Creole season. You can definitely use the seasoning of your choice. Any form of all-purpose seasoning will work just fine, right? Sprinkle it over it and just combine it nicely. Okay, so we're still frying here because, as I said, we're not rushing the pot. We're taking our time and we are getting it done properly. No AC, nothing. Nah, go on, right? And this is gonna take a little time. I would say in all it took me about 2-3 minutes, somewhere there. Then after that, now I'm gonna go in with the rice. This is very much optional. You could have definitely add the liquid back to the pot at this point, but because I didn't have a lot of liquid, I'm like, let me fry the rice first, because I know when you fry the rice, it cook quicker than if you should just add the liquid and go in with the rice. So that's why I did that. So I'm gonna fry off the rice a little first, but as I said, you don't have to. You could fry the peas and then go in with the liquid if you have enough, and then add the rice. But for this one, I am frying the rice first because I only have a little bit amount, a small amount of the liquid reserve. All right. So after we fry off the rice, now we're gonna go in with the liquid that we separate from the peas earlier. So I'm just adding that to the pot. And guys, if you have a lot, you just know that you have to go in with a small amount first and combine it properly. And then when you combine it properly, if it need more, you add. Because the thing is, we don't want to put too much liquid inside the rice because we don't want our rice to be mushy. All right, so I added all the liquid I have to the pot, and I'm just making sure that I combine everything because I want all the rice to soak up all that delicious flavor that we made with our peas and coconut. So once you think all the rice is being coated, then you're gonna taste the pot, guys. Don't skip this step. You have to taste it because you don't want the rice to be fresh and you don't want it to be salt. Right? So cover the pot and we're gonna steam this on medium low heat. You don't want the heat to be too high. So I would say medium low heat, and allow it to steam. Give it, I'm gonna say roughly 15 minutes, then you're gonna go back in and check on it. All right, and after 15 minutes, this is what it should be looking like. And we're gonna fluff our rice, guys. Don't skip this step because you're gonna fluff the rice to release any extra moisture that is trapped, because you know that the liquid is trapped within the rice because we were steaming and the pot was sealed. So when you fluff the rice, it releases all that extra liquid or evaporate all that extra moisture that is between the rice, right? And allow the rice to become fluffy and nice. So fluff your rice properly, and then you should be having something like this. If the rice grains are a little tough, right, what you can do are hard, what you can do is add a little water over it and cover the pot again tight and allow it to steam for about another 5 minutes on medium low heat. But if it's okay, then you're good to go, right? You can just cover the pot. It also will finish steam by covering the pot and turn off the stove. So this is what we have, guys. Just look at it. It's perfect and the taste is top tier. Yes, it's a little more extra work, but to me it is worth it. And guys, if you have made it this far, don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to leave a comment and let me know if you like trying new things, and I'll definitely see you in another video. Bye guys.